All right. So having said that, I want to show you how you can easily write out this System.out.println on your own without probably copying it out, right? So on your keyboard, just type SOUT, out. SOUT.
Out.
Like sout, without the H. Then just double click the first option. There are 4 options there. Just double click the first option.
Oh, I see it.
All right. Okay. Nice. So what you just need to do is to introduce your string. That is by including the speech marks. Once you just type it, it creates the opening and the closing for you. Then here we are. So here we are. So you can run it and you see how easy it is for you.
Sabo, I don't ever see the point of adding this my first basic plus Java program. I don't think there will ever be a point that you will need that. Will you?
Yeah, definitely there will be. There will be.
So why will you need it when you can just write it out?
Yeah. Why I try to introduce it is so that you see the need that a time might come where you'll be needing to use the plus feature, right? Then how easy it can be for you to use it. Definitely you can just have my first basic Java program as one sentence. But supposing there's a task that probably requires you to separate them, but also make it in such a way that it appears at one sentence. So this is also a way to do that.
Okay.
Yeah. So far.
Should we run the program?
Yeah, you can run it. You can run it.
Hey, yo. Hey, actually run.